Here's how to fix the "can't reach this page" error in Microsoft Edge, working through the fixes in the right order. Start by clearing your browser cache. Click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services, then Clear Browsing Data. Change the time range to All Time and click Clear Now. Reload the page and test. If still failing, open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Proxy and turn off Automatically Detect Settings. Then open View Network Connections, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, then Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK. If you are using a VPN, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then VPN and turn it off. VPNs frequently cause this error on sites that block certain server regions. As a final step, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, then Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will need to restart. After rebooting, reconnect to Wi-Fi and the page should now load correctly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.